Platoon, major armor column on Delta Way, circling the south base. Charlie, can we get air support?
No. Sorry. 14 Mozzies versus us, not happening. Sorry.
Sunday set up
We
outside.
have anti-air support.
Delta Way.
Platoon, it's early in the alert. Let's stay here and defend against that armor and infantry push. Deployed enemy Sunder Delta Way. More Sunders pulling up southwest garage.
We'll let the friendlies worry about other things. We're only focused on keeping them out of this garage.
You have
rolling in
friendly
garage
beacon.
now.
two Sundays south of the garage. Three Sundays
yes.
south of the garage.
Yes. We're only focused on keeping them out of this garage. The friendlies will deal with that.
Just let you know.
Copy. It's been called out. Thank you. Sorry, it's a bit chaotic here. We have one goal.
Get ready for infantry deploying behind us. They got a beacon set up.
TeamSpeak Platoon, if we can coordinate, we can blow an orbital strike on that southwest bridge and rush it.
Alright, everybody with me, we're making a move. Get in garage, find squad leader. Move to the outside of garage. Got a bus
Waypoint
to our
marks
north.
deployed enemy Sunder.
Bravo waypoint bus is our problem now.
Bus immediately outside garage, right side.
Yep, that's our problem. We're dealing with that. Bravo waypoint. Keep peeking that garage and kill that bus on Bravo mark. Nice. Alright, pull it back in, hold the garage.
The ships are impressed. Good work.
Fire
Delta's Anvil. Bravo and Alpha Hammer.
Very much feel like an animal.
It would be helpful if the hammers would hit a little harder.
Alright, get ready, push to the end of the garage and find the squad leads. We're making a wrap around. Try.
Enemy soldier down.
Alright, get ready. We're going to push out to the left. Out to the left. 3, 2, 1. Stay close to the wall. Out left. Keep pushing that wall to the corner. Don't overextend past this hillock.
Beacon is up if you want to back.
Here it comes!
Next base.
I've got ammo for you.
Thanks, Couch. Don't take beacon. We're still on this fight.
Two, nice job there.
Here, I'll patch you up.